Hello everyone, this is Quiet Clerk. In this video, we are going to see about the payments and its participants. So, each and every one of us have done this and would continue to do this. So, it is a must that we understand what is payments. Payment is a transfer of money or its equivalent from one party to another party in exchange for the service or the goods. Here, this equivalent can be anything like stocks or the goods or the services. The payment is something that you transfer or hand over or provide to the other party. Next one is payment participants. There are at least two parties need to be involved to process payments in case of a direct transaction. One party is a payer or a sender, another party is a payee or a receiver. In the direct transaction, the payer pays the money to the payee directly. Example, you are buying something from a shop and you pay the money to the shop owner himself. In indirect payments, there must be at least one additional party involved in between payer and the payee. The additional party can be anyone who facilitates the transaction on behalf of either the payee or the payer. Let me give you two examples. One, you want something from a shop and you request your friend to get it for you. So your friend goes to the shop and buys the stuff and pays to the owner of the shop. Second, there is also a case where you directly goes to the shop to buy and the pay the money, but the receiver is the employee of the shop who receives the payment and hand over to the owner. Here, the additional party or the middleman who performs the transaction is your friend and employee of that shop. Now that we understand what is payments, we will see one more common term that always associated with the payments. The term is nothing but a transaction. At first, both payment and a transaction seems to be same, except the only small difference. Two parties, payer and payee, agrees to common terms to provide a service or a goods in return of a money or its equivalent from other party. Also, a transaction will be complete when both the parties does what was agreed. Let's take a simple example of what we do normally during online shopping. A simple agreement that you pay the money and the seller gives you the product. Now, you buy the product and pay the money and wait for the product to be delivered to you. Here, you have done your part. As per the agreement, you paid the money. Now it is seller's responsibility that they deliver the product to you in few days. Until you get a message as a product is delivered, the transaction is not completed. Same goes for cash on delivery also. It is your turn to adhere to the agreement and pay the money. If you don't pay, then transaction is not completed. Hope this would help you to understand these two terms. With this, we can conclude this video. I hope this information is helpful to you. Stay tuned for more information. Thank you for your time. Take care. Please do subscribe to this channel and let's grow together. Bye bye.